The poor snowman.
Like a bird
Dead.
I'm just sitting.
Waving! Good on you! Hi! They're waving. He's getting covered in snow.
From up here,
I don't believe it. He's not going to stop. He's not going to stop. You can stop now.
sit together.
Happy?
It's so beautiful, you and me. We meant to be in the great outdoors, forever free.
On our way toward Mount Ruapehu, we timed it perfectly, capturing the northerner train crossing over the Makatote viaduct. Yay! Waving! Good on you! Hi! They're waving! Good on you! Zoom in. They were waving. How cool! Train we were waving at. Hello, people, recognise us? And it's called The Great Journey Northern Explorer. Is it? No, I want to put my hat on. It's cold. Sorry? Oh no, who's left it there? People? Oh, it's got a guitar and everything. Hello? Yours? They're all eating, it's lunchtime. Oh, that was a whistle. So did someone get that bag? Oh! Dog! Hey dog! Now what's it called? The Great Journeys of New Zealand. Bye-bye. Hey friendly people. Ah, that's good. Was his. Thought we were taking it. So they're going up. Oh, okay. Going up north. So northerner. I don't know where they stop next. Are you saying it's not his bag? I thought it was his. What's he doing? He's looking for goodies. Oh, he's naughty. He's not, so it'll probably stop. It's stopped here at National Park and it's going to probably go to Tomarunui, I'd say. That train. Okay, is that us?
A little bit, eh?
Oops. That one. We're at the Whakapapa Village. I was going to do a walk today. Will I get to do a walk? Here's the chateau. And here's the snow coming down. Well, it is the 2nd of July. Right in the middle of winter. Yeah. Oh, look at that falling. It's gorgeous. Can you catch it? Oh, but yeah, I can't see now. You can capture it falling. Isn't it lovely? Look at it. Oh, it's gorgeous. Ouch, right in the eye. Okay, I think I have to take them off. I can't see. I can't see. Right. Oh, what's in here? Is this a walk? I haven't got my bag, Bobby. For photos or no? This isn't a walk anyway. Is it? I can't get it going there. There's a carrot. Oh, do you think it was one? Yes, I do think it was. Stick the carrot in it, Bobby. The poor snowman. Dead. Thank you, Bobby. These are leading to huts, Robert. They're not walks. Yeah, it's a campground thing. Okay. Yeah, it is. Let's go and find a walk. Hey. Look at what this man's doing. Pulled up and look at him. He's attacking me with snow. He's a naughty old man. He's weird. Is he weird or what? You're funny, Bobby. Oh, he's still gonna... I don't believe it. He's not gonna stop. He's not going to stop. You can stop now. Happy? Are you a happy chappy? Funny. You're funny, Bobby. You're funny, Bobby. I don't want to slip over again. Those people in the car were laughing at me when I got out of the car to get my bag. I kept slipping over in the snow, and those people parked behind were in their car watching and laughing. What are you doing with it? No. What are you going to do with it? Ah. I kicked it. Where the mountain is. It's all under cloud. That's the chateau behind Bobby, if you can see it. Oh, luscious. Snow on my tongue. Yay! Oh. We're going uphill. We're hot. He's getting covered in snow. That's beautiful. How snowy am I? Any good? Is it snow or no? I can't see, I don't have glasses on. Why, hello. Hello, little family. Look at you. Oh, we should have brought the carrot. We should have brought the carrot, Bobby. It's missing one. How adorable are you? Hey? Is it? Well, there's people back there. You can see they're bright orange, yellow. Oh, get the bubby bear. The baby snow girl. Aren't you beautiful? Yes, sun's come out. We'll be melting the snow soon. On our way back down. Told those kids those snowmen are waiting for them. Isn't that cute? So soft. So soft. It's beautiful. It's just beautiful. Boy, where's he gone? Wait, he's gone. Are you slipping, Bobby? It's easier going up than down. Oh no. Oh, what have you found? Gloves? Oh no. Why would they take the gloves off? Yeah, what? Been there for ages. Poor old gloves. Dry off. In the sun, it's trying to come out. This is going to be a slow trip down. Just a little kick. Is that the end of the snow? That's it. Gorgeous, eh? I love this fluffy trees. Fluffy as trees. Beautiful. It's an unusual bark. No other barks like that. Look at all the trees. And then we come to this. Isn't that unusual? Funny looking tree too. Cute as. There's a few more. I can see them. Okay, my apologies. Fine. Oh, yuck. My sock is wet. Just like that, right at the very end, I got wet. Terrific. Back at Whakapapa Holiday Park over there. Chateau. Bye, Bobby. What's in here? Ooh, Mounds Walk. This Mounds Walk is through hummocky landscape, which is small mounds or knolls above ground, and it's known as the Ruapehu Formation. This was the site of an old quarry where rock was extracted to make and maintain local roads. Work at the quarry gave researchers a look at the inner workings of a mound. It's not snowing, it's raining. It spits down. Oh well. Around 11,000 years ago, a massive rockslide, or avalanche, released 200 million cubic meters of debris down the mountain, creating these small mounds. The material inside these mounds once lined the mountainside 14 kilometers up the mountain, including rocks from the volcanic dome. There's a few mounds. Just a few dotted here and there. That bigger one. Okay. Right, I better get back out of the rain. Looks like that's my entrance right there. So it wasn't far at all. I like that stuff. What it is. Daggy, hey? Anyway, let's go.